America is currently under pressure, and the reason is quite serious. A very expensive U.S. surveillance drone flying over the Strait of Hormuz has suddenly disappeared from radar, and that's exactly what is worrying Washington. This drone isn't designed for combat, but for silent monitoring. Its job is to keep an eye on every movement from above, collect intelligence, and send back live information. Its range is said to be around 15,000 kilometers, meaning it can operate from very long distances. In terms of size, it's much larger than regular drones, which makes tracking it even more critical. And when it comes to cost, this is not a cheap piece of equipment. Losing even one such drone is considered a major setback for the United States. That's why its sudden disappearance in a sensitive area like the Strait of Hormuz raises serious questions. The biggest question now is, what actually happened? Was it disabled through electronic jamming? Was it forced down? Or is this part of a deliberate power signal? Because the Strait of Hormuz is one of the most critical routes for global oil supply. If U.S. surveillance weakens here, the impact won't just be military. It could affect global politics and the economy as well. In simple terms, this is not just about a missing drone. It's a clear signal of the ongoing power struggle in the Middle East, and right now, the U.S. is visibly under pressure.